In this video, we'll show you a GPS feature on the Garmin Instinct called the Track Me, which is a very bare bones activity profile. You normally, when you start an outdoor activity profile, you press on the GPS button and then you have all these profiles that you can choose. This has the data screens, customize and alerts and all that stuff. But if you want to do just a straight up GPS recording of a track or anything like that outdoors, what you can do here is access it by scrolling down past your activity favorites and choose Track Me. And this will work the same way when you start an activity. You wait for the GPS signal to be acquired, which is the check mark, and then you can just start your activity. And then from here, the data screen should look very much like the hiking profile. Here's a couple data screens, have a heart rate monitor, we have our map, time of day, and that's about it. We can access its settings or further menu by tapping on, pressing and hold the menu, have the Track Me settings, and again from here we can edit or adjust the data screens, alerts, metronomes, all the same settings we would have, for example, if we were using the hike profile. And of course we have access to the navigation, which will give you all your back to start, access to your courses, previous activities, save location, sign and go, and coordinates. But this is just a quicker way to save it. Now when you stop the activity, like this, by pressing the GPS key, you'll have a menu pop up, a few seconds, give you the option to resume, to save. This will save it uncategorized when you sync up with Garmin Connect. So if you're using the hike profile, it would categorize as a hiking activity. This one will be uncategorized. You can resume later. This will give you basically up to 30 minutes to do something. Let's say you're going inside a building or something like that. You want to resume it. You can use that. You can set up laps if you want to break up your hike, or you can set up auto lap. You can navigate back to start, like that. And you can use track back, following the course that you made up to that point, or straight line A to B. And finally, you can discard the activity. And there you go. That is quickly how you can use the Track Me function on the Garmin Instinct.